In today's video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on Crypto.com step by step. This guide is perfect for beginners who want a simple and easy way to purchase USDT using the Crypto.com app. First, if you don't already have the Crypto.com app, download it on your phone and create an account. Follow the sign-up instructions and complete the verification process. Once your account is ready, log in to continue. Before buying USDT, make sure you have a payment method connected to your account. You can link a bank account, debit card, or credit card depending on what options are available to you. Having a payment method set up will make the buying process much faster. Now open the Crypto.com app and go to your wallet. Inside the wallet, look for the Buy Crypto option and tap on it. Next, search for USDT, which is also known as Tether. USDT is a stablecoin that is designed to keep a value close to the US dollar. Many people use it because its price is usually more stable than other cryptocurrencies. After selecting USDT, enter the amount you want to buy. The app will show you the estimated cost and payment details. Then choose your payment method. You can pay using your linked bank account or card. In some cases, you may also be able to use other payment services if they are connected to your account. Review the transaction details carefully, including the amount and any fees. Once everything looks correct, confirm the purchase. After the transaction is completed, the USDT will appear in your Crypto.com wallet. And that's how you buy USDT on Crypto.com. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.